Hey guys, welcome to Carowinds and happy National Funnel Cake Day. I'm Chef John. I'm here with my sous chef, Jeremy Mannix, and we're here to present the recipe from Miss Allison Hicks' submission for funnel cake competition. We will be unveiling this throughout the park today. That being said, I pass over to Chef Jeremy.
Hi, Carowinds! Hi, Carowinds. My name is Allie Hicks, and I am a mom of 4 from Virginia. And as a busy mom of 4, our main sandwiches requested for lunch are peanut butter and jelly and peanut butter and fluff. So what could be better than throwing all those ingredients on top of a funnel cake? And that's what sparked my inspiration to submit that funnel cake and win. And I hope you guys like it, and I can't wait to try it. Unfortunately, I can't be there today. Bye!
Hey guys, so basically what we have to do is we take our world's greatest funnel cake from here at Carowinds, and then we're going to add our marshmallow fluff. Yep, just like that. Yep, nice and fluffy. Then we're going to take our peanut butter drizzle.
Is this whipped with anything, Chef?
Nope, it's just peanut butter sauce. There we go. Nice and easy. Then we're going to top it with the whipped cream. Right in the middle. That's going to hold our peanut butter cookie. There we go. Just one.
I like more than one, Chef.
I know.
Okay.
We can do one. That's fine. You're going to put 5 strawberries because we're very precise here. Perfect. Nice and fresh. All right. Then the piece de resistance, the powdered sugar. Look at that. Our fluffer nutter funnel cake. So they're going to be located at Funnel Cake Emporium and Southgate, world famous funnel cake.